Yo, what's up guys, my name is Sasee and today I'm going to show you how to make your own logo. It's definitely not hard, it is really easy and anyone can do it. First, what you need to do is you have to take a cool looking photo with yourself. It can be anything you want. You can look dumb in it, you can look hot in it, I don't care, as long as you like it. For the sake of the video, we're gonna take PewDiePie and we're gonna put him inside here. Okay, that is done. Now what do we have to do? We create a new layer. We are using Photoshop, by the way, you can probably see it. If you don't know how to use Photoshop, I'm sorry, find a tutorial because I'm trying to be straight up this time. What you need is this tool right here. It is called Pen tool. And now what you need to do is you pretty much just outline everything you can outline. So I'm pretty much gonna start with the whole outline. I'm gonna start here and slowly work my way up. Let me fast forward this process. Okay, so I am done. Now that you have the outline, you're gonna right click on the screen and you're gonna do stroke path. Before you do that, make sure your brush size is fine. Like in the middle of the process, I checked how big is my brush going to be, because if it's too thick it's gonna be ugly. I think if it's gonna color this way, I think it should be fine. I think let's make it even, I don't know, 3 maybe. Yeah, let's stay at 3. Okay, so you right click, wait, let me grab the tool. You right click, stroke path, you choose the brush, and okay. As simple as that. Now you can go here to paths and delete the work path so it doesn't disturb you, and boom. This is what we got right now. I could have done probably thicker, but that's fine. Now let me just do the whole face of PewDiePie, you know, the eyes, eyebrows, mouth, nose, beard, everything. Oh, and by the way, I'm doing everything with a mouse, so anybody can do it. Who doesn't have a mouse, let's be honest. But after this I'm gonna show you one more way, and that involves a drawing tablet. I mean, you can do it with a pencil, but it's going to be ugly. I mean, you can do it with a mouse. But yeah, let's continue this thing now.
Yes, the thrill is gone, gone this day.
Okay, so I've done this part. Let's lower the opacity a bit. As you can see, it could definitely be better, but I'm speedrunning this a bit. Yeah. But now what we need to do is let's color it in. So we are just gonna use the color picker from the original picture. I don't know, find a middle tone that actually looks brown. Okay, I guess let's use this. I don't know, I think this should be fine. And let's use the bucket tool, paint bucket tool. Just like that, we have filled it in. Let's do the rest of the colors. His skin. Where else do you have skin? That is supposed to be lips, I'm pretty sure. That is the mouth, ears, and here. Okay, perfect. Wait, we need beard again for this. His shirt was black. I mean, not really black, but you know. And voila, that's pretty much our simple logo. You can of course do some shading if you want to. Of course, there are many different ways that you can shade, but in my opinion the easiest is when you select a certain color, you color pick it, you just choose a darker color. Especially it's easy for newbies who don't really draw, and I don't know, just do something like that, I don't know, a line going like that. We got a line going like that. I don't know what I'm doing. Something like that. Actually no, I don't like this one. Just this one. What else? Let's make this darker. Oh wait, ooh, I forgot that you have to be doing this on a different layer. Ooh, sheesh. Shade on a different layer. That's a must. Okay. That's it's just a must. It's my bad that I'm shading on the same color layer. Now let's choose the highlights. We go a bit lighter, and boom. We can also do some random strokes, like, I don't know, like right here, like right here. We got a stroke here. Let's do one here. One as well here. We need to... Oh, eyebrows. I think that's pretty much it for the beard. Let me do the whole face and then I'm gonna be back. Okay, that's it guys. Pretty much the masterpiece is done. I know it's not the best, it's definitely not the best, I can agree with that. But if you put some more time into it and you make these lines thicker, I thought they were thick enough, but I needed them actually a bit thicker, the outline. It would have been better, but other than that, I don't know. I like it. It looks cool. Like, imagine you not knowing anything how to draw, and all of a sudden you can make a logo for yourself like that. I think it's pretty cool. Out of nothing, we got something. Oh, and also, people who can actually draw, don't say anything about my shading that it's shit or something, please. Just please. I'm so bad at drawing, I admit it myself. I haven't gone to art school and whatnot. I sometimes like to draw, okay? Okay, that's pretty much it for this method, but now the second one, the drawing tablet one with a pencil, with a digital pencil. For this, let me open Fire Alpaca real quick, cause if I use this, I usually draw in Fire Alpaca instead of Photoshop. Okay, so now I'm inside Fire Alpaca. Yeah, I know, it's a weird name, but okay, so there are two things you can do. Either you can come up with something and draw yourself, like me, with my not so cool thingy that I have, sasee, yay, or you can just input your picture once again, and we've got a different PewDiePie picture, and I'm pretty sure you know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna draw over him. So yeah, see you when I've done the outline. Okay, so I don't know, it's been like probably 10 minutes. It's not my best line art. It's more like a sketch because I'm not really trying right now. I'm trying to go to sleep, okay? But yeah, here's the product without the color. But let me put the color real quick. 3, 2, 1. Okay, there he is, the king of YouTube. I know it's shit. I was speedrunning kinda, and I haven't touched my tablet for like 6 months, so yeah. Like I said, I ain't no artist, but I just draw once in a while, cause it's fun to do something artistic. But yeah, that's pretty much everything for today. A little tutorial how to get yourself a logo for YouTube or Twitch or whatever, even if you don't know how to draw like me, cause in the end the result is like fine. And yeah, goodbye everyone, see you next time, I'm out.